Personal touches and little details are what really bring a space to life. Here are a few things that we incorporated in Fantasy Kitchen that you can do in your own home. A large island is a really great focal point in a kitchen, but it also functions really well too because you can have people come sit down and chat with you while you're cooking. This painted white brick pizza oven is so beautiful, and I love that it adds this rustic charm to a modern kitchen. From weeknights to large gatherings with family and friends, 2 sinks allows you to spread out and have multiple prep areas throughout your kitchen. The double oven is everything you would want in a fantasy kitchen, and the griddle on top takes it to the next level. The herringbone floors are one of my very favorite features in this space because they have this great neutral tone, but the pattern adds a lot of interest. Thanks for checking out Food Network Fantasy Kitchen. You can enter for a chance to win by going to foodnetwork.com/fantasykitchen.